Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So just taking a quick look at Bitcoin here on the daily time frame, you can see quite clearly. Recently we've had this pretty nice pickup off the low, haven't we? We come up and we found ourselves, putting in a little bit of a range, you would say, over the past week or so. After having that decent pump off the lows down here, probably forming a bit of a double bottom like this, coming up and breaking out of key levels of resistance. Right now looking like we're very, very, very close to flipping our EMAs bullish. And the last time that this happened was actually all the way back up here at around, what was this, 41, 42k. Obviously in the midst of this downtrend, that was just a false kind of breakout to the upside, followed by, continued dump to the downside. But with this massive prolonged period of consolidation for Bitcoin here over the past 6 or 7 months, we'd say that most likely we have seen most of the downside now for this bear market that we have been seeing over the past year or so. Measured from that high down to this low, we have dumped around 75% for Bitcoin. Obviously, a lot of people are looking for that 80-85% mark that we have seen in previous cycles, which would obviously take us down into this region, but in between, we would say 10 and 13k. Coinciding with this, previous area of a swing high resistance here, flipped into support like this, and then getting continuation. But we do think, considering how much consolidation that we had over the past few months, it's probably unlikely that we are going to see Bitcoin rolling over much more than this. And we've seen most altcoins down now at 90 or 95%, which does tend to be the low that we do see for basically every single crypto in bear markets before they do start to bottom out and see a bit of, consolidation and seller exhaustion, which is what we've seen for most cryptos. So Bitcoin here just doing what it needs to do. As we've said before, we've had a breakout of that key level of resistance here. We've come up, we've obviously, ran out of steam a bit here, coming back to retest some support, which is the bottom of this range and sitting nicely on our EMAs. As we said, so close to flipping these bullish. If these EMAs do start to flip bullish here, we could say a lot of, people coming into the market seeing this as potentially a precursor for a good amount of upside. And as we've been saying ever since we broke out of this level here, we are targeting for us the top of the range at 22.5k as our next target. And then obviously if we're rolling over, the bottom of the range again at 18.5k. Until we break out of this range in either direction, as we've said multiple times, then we're still going sideways, aren't we? And we need to see higher highs and higher lows being formed, something like this, for that continuation that you do want to see if we're looking for, potentially a reversal of this big downtrend that we have been in. So just a quick look at the fibs here. As you can see, pretty much perfectly got stuck previously under that 0.23 there. That would be our next target beyond this. And that it does sit at around that 24.5k level there. We do think coming up into this area here, there's a massive, massive area here of resistance that does need to be, broken if we are going to see some upside for Bitcoin. Most likely we're probably going to see, these being tested and rejected the first time around, maybe a bit more sideways before we do finally start to break up. But overall, as we said, Bitcoin doing what it needs to do. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.